we are going to start the new topic, that is types of internet trade. We have two types. The first one is wholesale trade and the second one is retail trade. In wholesale trade, generally we have 3 to 4 points. That is, the first one is that wholesaler can act as a link between manufacturer and the retailer. We have a supply chain. In the supply chain, we have 4 components. The first one is manufacturer. The second is wholesaler. Third one is retailer. And the last is consumer. We are talking about the wholesaler. So the wholesaler is act as a link between manufacturer and retailer. Like some goods are purchased by the wholesaler from the manufacturer. Then these goods are stored by the manufacturer and further supplied to the retailers. So the first one is when the wholesaler purchases the thing, the profit margin of wholesaler is generally less as compared to retailer. The third one is the wholesaler generally purchases the thing in huge quantity. Like retailer, the wholesaler will not purchase the things in a small quantity. It will purchase a large quantity. That is why it is called wholesaler. And wholesaler generally deals with one line product. One line of products. If the wholesaler is dealing with some grocery types of things, then he will deal only for grocery items. He will not purchase the clothes or any other items beyond the grocery items. So the wholesale trade is done. Then we will talk about the retail. Similarly, as I explained in supply chain, the third element is retailer. Retailer acts as the link between consumer and wholesaler. He will purchase the thing from wholesaler, then supply those things to the ultimate consumer. Retailer will purchase the things in small quantities. And it has all types of products. As we see, generally we visit to the stores or the small shops near our homes. What we will say? These are the kind of retailers we will see that they have grocery items, they have the vegetables, they have the fruits, they have every kind of items are presented in their shops. Retailers can be said as small shops. Okay.